Here's a rule that will help us find any term in an arithmetic sequence. So rather than having to use your common difference and just keep going until you get to that term, this rule here, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d, will do it for us very, very quickly, where a is the first term in the sequence, n is the number of the term that you want, and d is the common difference. Let's put it into practice here. This question says find T30, the 30th term in the arithmetic sequence, 21, 18, 15, 12. Let's get some information there. So we're looking for T30. So T30 is what we are looking for. Now what do we have? We have the first term, and we know the first term is A, which is 21. We should know now, because we're looking for T30, that n is going to be equal to 30, and d, the common difference, well, we're told it's arithmetic, so the difference between all of the terms should be the same. So 18 take away 21 is minus 3, because remember the values are going down. So let's substitute that in. Remember, this is our rule. Tn equals a plus n minus 1d. So I'm looking for T30, which is equal to 21 plus 30, take away 1, times it by minus 3. We can put it into our calculator or do it manually. 30 take away 1 is 29. 29 times minus 3 is minus 87. And 21 take away 87 is negative 66. A hire car costs $180 for the first day and $150 for each extra day. Part 1 says how much would it cost to hire the car for 7 days. Now, hopefully you're associating this with an arithmetic sequence. You can see straight away there that the initial hire cost was $180. So our A value is 180. And we are told that it's 150 each day, so it's going up by 150. So our common difference is 150. We're looking for what in part 1? Well, we're looking for the cost of the car for 7 days. So we're looking for T7, which means that n would be equal to 7 there. So putting it into our rule, we get T7 is equal to 180 plus n minus 1, and n is 7, so 7 minus 1 times d, so times 150. And when we put that all into our calculator, we get $1,080. So after 7 days of having the car, it's going to cost us $1,080. In part 2, the question is slightly different because it wants us to find a rule. And this time we don't know how many days we've got. So we've still got A equal to 180 and D equal to 150. Now we want Tn, okay, which means we don't know what n is equal to. And realistically, all we're going to do is put it back into the rule again. And so we're going to get Tn is equal to, now we know what A is, it's 180, plus, we don't know what n is, n minus 1 times 150. So what it really means is that we can substitute in, once we know what day, how many days we want the car for, we could substitute into that rule and use it to work out the cost of the car hire.